guys, guess where I'm at? That's right, I'm at another garden center. It is September, and before you judge me, understand that I have another raised planter bed to fill, and I want to get it prepared for next season in advance. So in order to do that, I'm going to need some more, what is it that I need? I need more soil, and I need some more manure, and let's see what else they have here. All right, come join me. Let's check it out. Cow manure. What is this? Black earth. Oh, I can use that. Organic topsoil. Rocks. Man, they're actually selling rocks. And they got firewood. Awesome. Let's see what else they have on this side. They got cedar mulch and more seasoned firewood. Man, I love the smell here. So good. Wow, it's September, but these plants and flowers look like they are thriving. And check this out. Sweet Ridge Farms selling fresh corn. Nice. Maybe I'll grab those on the way out. La, 35% off all hanging baskets. All right, what do I need? Focus, Ali. Magic carpet. Premium turf fertilizer. See what else they have. Man, if I buy another plant, Sherry's gonna kill me. But man, I think I picked up these seeds of this flower just the other day. What are these? Purplicious Speedwell. I like the name. And then this must be lavender. Oh, it smells so good. And this is sage. Smell that. So calming. I love the smell of sage. Look at these little trees. Man, the bees are having a field day here. What are these? More sage. Different types of sage. Black-eyed Susan. Really, that's the name of it? Black-eyed Susan? How do they name these plants? It's too funny. Oh, look at this purple one. Chrysalis cranberry butterfly bush. So beautiful. All right, let's focus, Ali. What are we here for? Let's get the potting soil. There he is. This man can help me out. Tread here is gonna help me out. I am looking for some help. I know it's end of the season, but what I'm looking for is something to fill up my raised bed planter thingy-majiggery. So it's pretty big. So I'm thinking I'm gonna need like several bags of like manure as well as some soil. Do you think you can help me out?
Yeah, we got it all outside there.
Oh, it's all outside.
Yeah,
Okay, over there.
So I saw you were looking over
Yes,
there.
yes.
Yeah, so that's it. So there's cow manure and sheep manure, and then you could use like triple mix or something too.
All right, perfect. You guys have a card or something?
Yeah, they're just out to the left right there.
Okay, so
you don't have to bring it in. You can just tell me how many you
okay.
want. Get it on the way out.
Perfect, brother. That works. Anything else that you would recommend, given that it's the end of the season, that because I'm going to be planting it and then I'm going to like just cover it up with some like cover that I bought to protect it, the plants.
Nothing right now. I'd probably say wait.
Yeah. Okay. All right, brother. All right. The other thing I'm looking to do is I'm looking to cover up the grass so that the weed doesn't grow on top of it, and I can walk around the beds. Do you kind of understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. We don't have any.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put cardboard, wet cardboard, and then on top of it, I'm going to put some like wood chips. And I was wondering if I should use mulch or wood chips, or if you guys have wood chips.
We don't have wood chips. We just have mulch.
Okay, all right. Do you recommend mulch for that?
Probably not the best to walk on, but
Right, yeah. All right, brother.
probably want something bigger.
Yeah, man, I should not come here because every time I come here, I'm tempted to look at more stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like an endless pit, right?
Yeah,
It's,
well, we don't have much right now, but
yeah,
in the spring for sure.
I'm definitely gonna come back. All right, let me load up the car and I'll be back.
Yeah,
Thank you, brother.
no
Appreciate you.
worries.
Yellow flowers. Sherry would like those. More yellow flowers. So pretty. Man, I love plants. That red one's pretty too. Check it out. Celosia. All right, we gotta hurry up because Hussein and my sister are waiting. Did I just read that right? 110 bucks for jumbo shade planter? Wow. It's not that jumbo. Maybe it grows. Man, this looks like lettuce or something. Fall window box planter. Cool, really pretty. Look at this, how cool is this? I love this. All right, Ali, let's focus. Let's get what we need to get and get out of here. All right, let's get the cart. Donde está la cart? Cart is somewhere here. There it is. Grab one of these bad boys. Cool. Oh, there we go. All right, what do we need? Bless you. Let's get some manure. Maybe we get like 3 of these. All right, guys, we have this loaded, and now let's load the car. Oh, so heavy. Glad I don't have to carry it all. Oh, shit. Get that back.